This is so cool. Oh my god, it's so wet! Wow, these steps are something else.
This won't be easy. Right and left, the calendar way. Is you rather brace for hate? Can't say what.
If these pools get to like 40 degrees, that is the cold pool. I actually went in there, so it's live on television.
Don't you feel start to even out the score?
I am in Iceland, people. It's snowing. Oh, it's so cold. It's like 0 degrees here, and I've just come from Egypt, which was like 35. Where the f are we going? Oh, I probably have to go ask someone where I'm supposed to go. Oh, it's so cold. Beard's coming in handy, I think, a bit. Just got to my hotel. Oh, look, it's snowing. How cute. Oh, I've got a little balcony though, which is pretty nice. Just walking around the streets of Reykjavik. Hotel recommended a really good Icelandic restaurant, like authentic Icelandic food. It's beautiful, it's cold, but it's like so beautiful. This place here. Ooh. Some shellfish soup. Not really a fish person, but for a soup person, for that. Wow, that soup was phenomenal. The meats are so soft. Man, that's beautiful, that lamb, far out. I've been to like Greece in the last couple of weeks and I've had the lamb there, but the lamb here is way better. Way better, man.
Enjoy.
Thank you. This is called an old Icelandic coffee. Schnapps and coffee and cream and brown sugar. It smells tasty. I think I've been up for 36 hours now, so maybe a bit of coffee and alcohol might help. Yum. Some sort of Icelandic donuts. As soon as he said donut, I was like sold.
And like, I think the only one that kind of makes sense.
It's like some pastry donut with this like strawberry sauce icing thing. Oh fuck, that's so tasty. OMG, that whole meal, everything together was probably one of the best meals I've ever had in my life. There was not one bad thing about that meal. And just to think, the lady gave me 2 options at the hotel, which is like, there's this place which is like authentic Icelandic food, which is like this other place, like Michelin rated place which is supposed to be even better. Like, fuck, if this was like this, and that place is even better, like what the hell? I tried to get to the other place, but it was like booked out.
And the Eurasian plate, they divide the country from the southwest to the northeast, and here we are right now. We can say that we are between the plates. Actually, we left. We did the North American one, the Goodbye Americas. The bridge, this one is from 1891, this bridge, the oldest one that is still used in Iceland.
So I've just made a quick stop off at this waterfall here. And awesome, like half of it's still like ice and snow, but half of it's running water. This is awesome. Oh my god. Wow. That's so cool. Wow, so beautiful. walk up all these stairs. Get to the top of the waterfall if you can see it there. I just got to the top. Ah, my legs are killing me, but look at this. Wow, look at that view. Look how far it goes down. And see all those little specks down there? Those are people. They're little tiny people. Yes, those are certainly words. So this is a lava field we're in. It's been snowing pretty bad the last week, so it's all covered in snow. But it's pretty cool. Oh, the snow's so deep. Oh, you can see all the black rock from the lava. Such a big lava field.
From the Ice Age.
From the Ice Age. The movie. It's like raining, snowing. It's yeah, beautiful. Yeah, I don't know if you can see. It's just all white, just everywhere. So awesome there. The last viewpoint over there. This is like a path that just ends, but made it to the last spot, last viewpoint. Look how pretty that is. Wow, such an amazing country. You made it!
Oh, yeah.
You made it up here!
You made it also good.
The tour guide just said this is called the Hollywood Glacier. Movies and TV shows have been filmed there in that glacier. Game of Thrones, Interstellar, interestingly, which is my favourite movie. The Ice Planet scenes were filmed up in this glacier, which is bloody awesome. And this one's is the big mother, the biggest glacier in Europe, I think he said. Which is pretty cool. Look how mad that is. So cool. Scenery is amazing. Reindeers. So cute. So we just checked into this beautiful little place. It's in the middle of nowhere, like there is nothing out here besides this. Just got some more room. Pretty chill. Look at the view though.